No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat-blade screwdriver and a new battery, in this case, a CR2032 3-volt. First, push the sides of the key fob inward and slide the cover off. Next, remove the emergency key from the housing. Rotate the battery plug counterclockwise to remove it. Then use a small flat-blade screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up and reinstall the battery plug. Rotate it clockwise to tighten it. Now just reinsert the emergency key, reinstall the cover, snap it shut, and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.